Look at how fork printing looks like. Is yours also so beautiful like this? Hi! Have you ever made fork printing? So today we are going to have fun with forks, okay? I need you to go bring your forks. You need to have at least like 4 of them. You see me, I have them here. I need you to have your brush. I hope you did not throw your other brush that we used the other time. I kept mine, is right here. We are also going to use paint, okay? The brushes, as you can see, okay? So are you ready? Okay, let's do this together. I think I'm going to have red, yellow, I'll need blue. Okay, let's have orange, okay? All right, so I'll pick my fork, put paint on it. You turn your fork this side, the behind side, and then you put. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Make sure that the paint gets onto the fork very well. So after you put your paint, your fork like the way I'm doing, you're going to first start with the upper bit and then you put it down slowly so that it can bring what you really want. There we go. And then you remove it slowly. Look! This is so beautiful. Then we're going to have another color. You start with the tip and then you make it rest. Well, from there, you pick it slowly. Oh, we've missed this. You go back. Please put it slowly. Make sure it also go there. There we go. Look, this is so nice. Let's go to another color. Put it there. And rest the fork. Well, then you pick it slowly. Oh, look, this is so nice. So I need another. Wow. You start with the tip, then you make the fork rest, and then you remove your work. There we go. Or if something happens like that, check. If there is still paint, you put it back slowly, like that. Wow, make sure that it is on it. There, remove. There, wow. So from there, we are going to get brush. After getting the brush, we're going to put the stem. So after that, we are going to need our brush to put some grass down. Here I had used the light green. This time I'm going to use the dark green to put the grass. To make it more fun, I'm going to put some ladybird right here. Okay, I'll use my thumb. folk printing looks like. It's just so beautiful like this. Okay? Yes. Alright, I hope you had fun with your folks and your paint, and I mean your colors. So that is how your work is supposed to look like. I hope you love your work. Thank you so much for being so active, involved, and thank you so much for loving your work. See you next time. Bye-bye.